The beauty of life is to make every day meaningful.
In my hand.
Accurate electronic temperature control with display accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The external material is made of high-quality cold-rolled steel plate, strong corrosion resistance. The internal material is made of SUS 304 stainless steel plate. Security assurance, high and low temperature alarm, sensor fault alarm, power off alarm, opening and closing of normal alarm, password protection function, delay start function. Reverence for life, cherish life.